but I really dig the double neck guitar. Very cool. Whenever you see someone playing a double neck like that, especially that style, uh, it they're gonna mean business.
I am Jason Myers from the band Icarus Witch, and you are listening to the Crash Course Metal Show, featuring Trevor Crash Knight, the next generation's voice of classic heavy metal.
What is good, guys? We are going to be doing a reaction video here today, and that is going to be to the band Witherfall and their brand new single, Sounds of the Forgotten, off of the title. That is the title track. So the uh album is called Sounds of the Forgotten as well, off of Deathwave Records. Now, from what it looks like here, they are Los Angeles-based, melodic or a dark melodic metal band, if you will. So I was looking here at the description and such, and it looks like one of the members was from Sanctuary. Now the only Sanctuary I'm aware of is from uh the late 80s, and Dave Mustaine produced their first album, Refuge Denied, I believe, and then they also had a second album, 1992, Into the Mirror Black, which is also really good there too. And I'm trying to see here, was I think Joseph Michael. So that's interesting in and of itself because like I am not familiar with Witherfall, and they do have at least five albums that I've seen, and this is the brand new one here, Sounds of the Forgotten, and quite interesting to see what now if that is the same Sanctuary that I'm thinking of, and like some of I want to see if there's any influences here in this or like what this really sounds like. So I'm quite interested. But I think it was when I did was talk around the time I was talking about Mr. Misery. I came across Witherfall though on Facebook. So somehow I seen something of Witherfall and I'm like, oh, this band looks pretty cool. I'm gonna check these guys out. So here we are today, finally. And so without further ado, let us see what Witherfall has in store for us.
If it's a severed head, I'm gonna be very upset.
All right, so over 2 minutes into this, I can dig this. Now, like, I'm sure I I'm sure a lot of people are give and take with the slower melodic stuff. Like this song appears to be here, 2 minutes in. I dig that. Like I'm more than okay with that being the first impression. Because like I'm a fan of the mid-tempo, slower melodic stuff. I don't think everything has to be so hard, so heavy, so fast all the time. So this is pretty cool. And also I really dig, I think Jake is the guitar player. here. But I really dig the double neck guitar. Very cool. Whenever you see someone playing a double neck like that, especially that style, it they're going to mean business. And now I am familiar with the double neck from Tom Kiefer's Cinderella, so like that always looked badass whenever he played it. And same thing here with Jake. It just looks absolutely beautiful. So let us keep going here and see what they have here. Chart this new territory with Witherfall.
Once again left to wait amidst the coming storm. What are we in this for? The core has turned and rotten as the years just spin on by to the sounds of the forgotten. What should we even care? The shores align with grace. So seize the day, 'cause in the end, beneath the sounds of the forgotten, ringing like an echo, the waves come crashing down, leaving all our worries silent, like they were muted, forgotten sounds. What are we in this for? The core has turned and rotten as the years just spin on by to the sounds of the forgotten. What should we even care? The shores
All right, so shortly after the solo here, solo was good, but I was getting a little worried though that there wasn't going to be a solo there. He was just kind of going like back and forth there a little bit. But no, he jumped into it, so very cool. But vocals are fine. I like this song. Now, I am interested to see what the rest of the singles and the album sounds like, or even rest of the catalog too. Because like, how do they get kind of progressive since there is an Ice Earth Sanctuary type uh background here with the band. So I'm quite interested to see like where it kind of falls in the Witherfall area here. What it sounds like, but so far so good with this song, man. Everything's checking off the boxes here. So let's finish this up and have our final thoughts.
So seize the day, 'cause in the end, beneath the sounds, what are we in this for? The core has turned and rotten as the years just spin on by to the sounds of the forgotten. What should we even care? The shores align with grace. So seize the day, 'cause in the end, beneath the sounds of the forgotten.
All right, so yeah, I like that. That was like a slow drag a little bit there, but very cool. I enjoy this. Just hearing the one song from Witherfall, I'm a fan. I like it. I give that a thumbs up. Good solo, very good vocals in there. pretty like I felt the vocals there too as well. I like this. I'm quite interested. I'm gonna have to check out some videos here a little bit later, and just see the whole scope of Witherfall here and see what exactly we are gonna get with them. But let me know in the comments too, guys, if you guys heard of Witherfall before, and which one of their albums, because they do have a good amount of albums here, it looks like. Which one to start off with, or just try out the brand new one first. Where's a good starting point? And also, too, guys, if you enjoyed this video, check out this one right here.